Hello guys, good evening. How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. Remember, health is wealth. Don't forget to take good care of yourself. Prioritize your health and watch out your diet and have exercise. Especially when we are 40 and above. There's so many food need to limit salty and oily food, a sweet and a carb. If we want to live long, we have to diet and exercise. Me, I want to live until 85. If God will allow me to live long, I want to live until 85 years old. I want to enjoy my retirement life. Good evening and sleep tight, sleep well. Good night and sweet dreams everyone. Bye, see you tomorrow. Happy weekend.